Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 27502 Paseo Boveda in San Juan Capistrano, California. This gorgeous home resides behind the private gated community of Rancho Madrina. What I love most about this home is its location. You're on a corner lot, single loaded street. You're up high in a bluff with incredible ocean views and the rolling hills of San Juan Capistrano. Every single room in this house has incredible views and privacy. This is a 5-bedroom home. Each one of these bedrooms has private en-suites, 13,000 square foot lot. Rarely do homes with this type of quality and craftsmanship come on the market. You are not going to want to miss this one. As you can see, this home is highly upgraded. You have custom built-ins, designer lighting accents throughout the entire home. This home is one of a kind. I just love this home. Are you noticing these gorgeous bifold doors? They open up to this covered patio, and you actually have a second California room with the fireplace. You got a built-in barbecue. You have a gorgeous jacuzzi with multiple fountains on this property, along with the rolling hills with ocean views. What more could you ask for? If you have interest in viewing this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.